Hi and welcome to this VIP class, and we're finally at the end, part 4 of our funnel series, and we're talking about C for convert. How do you do that? You create a juicy offer, right? So you've learned about the boss money magnet. That's the structure of your funnel. You're attracting strangers at the bottom with your free or super cheap offer, which can come in different forms: video, audio, or text. And then you've learned how to build that relationship, nurturing them, how to cross-sell, upsell, downsell, and how to make sure that your content is tailored to solve and target their emotional needs. Because people buy for emotional reasons and then they justify logically. They don't buy for logical reasons, right? And so now you have gone through that relationship and you've warmed them up. They've gone from cold leads. So down here, they're cold. And then in the middle here, they're warm. And now they're hot. Hot, 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 and ready to buy. What's that thing that's going to make them say yes? It's a juicy offer. And how do you create a juicy offer? I'm just going to talk about one way, which is bundles. Okay? Bundles. Bundles. Bundle things up, right? Once again, let's go back. Think about your journey when you first started and the things you wish you had at the same time, as opposed to learning things halfway and then learning something else after, and then everything is just so scattered and you're trying to figure it out. What if you had everything you need as one product, as one service, like an all-in-one service, for example? So on my journey, I learned how to sell after I learned how to build the system, the funnel. I wish I knew how to sell first, so that as I'm building my funnel, I'm selling and reducing the time it takes to make money. Instead, I learned things in bits and pieces separately from different people. I wish I had an offer that taught me how to sell, how to build my funnel, how to build my mindset all in one. That's a juicy offer. Who's gonna say no to that, right? So for example, let's say it's back to school. You want to create an offer of your school bag, your bottles, and your food packs. You don't just want to sell the bag. You want to sell the bag and the bottle and the food bowl. You want to sell those 3 items as one offer, one bundle. So people are getting 3 instead of 1. Also, if you're selling hair, you don't just want to sell the hair. You want to sell the hair, the serum, and the straightener as one offer, one bundle, because you know that when you buy your weave, you want to use your serum and you're also going to straighten it. Sometimes people don't have the straighteners, or their straighteners are spoiled, or something happened, or their serum is finished. So you want to create that offer. That's what it means to create a juicy offer. It's just bundles. You want to create a bundle where they don't need to go somewhere else to buy it. They don't have to come back to you and then go through that whole process of buying something else. How about they just pay for everything one time? If you're a web developer, you want to offer the design, you could also create a funnel for them and also create a guide for them and put all of that in an offer and sell that instead. So instead of you getting the price of one item, you get the price of 3 items for more expensive but at a discount. For example, so you have item 1, item 2, item 3. Let's say item 1 costs £10, item 2 costs £15, item 3 costs £20. So that's £45. So you sell everything for £43 instead, or £40, whatever, at a discount. So they look at it like, oh wow, I'm getting this mixed together. It's so amazing. And it's even discounted. So they feel like they are paying less. But actually, they are paying more. Because for example, you intended to buy just the hair, and then you see that, oh, it's the hair and the serum and the straightener. Okay. Instead of spending 10, they spend 43 or 40 pounds. Why? Because you have created a juicy offer. And you are getting more money from one person as opposed to you getting 10 from 4 people. When you can just sell once and get the 40 as opposed to having to sell 4 times. So you're saving yourself time, you're making more money, and you're making your customers happier because you have reduced the time that it takes for them to look for those other things. You have anticipated their needs because you are connected to them emotionally. So one thing I didn't mention during this stage of building, you want to collect as much data as possible. It's the data you collect here that will inform how you place your offer. For example, Boss Money Mastery, it's an online course, right? I send out surveys asking you, when was the last time you paid for an online course? How much did you pay for the online course? What is the problem that you need a solution to right now? What have you tried before? What worked? What didn't work? You're literally giving me the answers, and I take all those answers and I use it to create an offer to die for that you just have to say yes to. Why? Because then that offer will consider your journey, consider what you can afford, consider what you need most especially, and then create something juicy that takes care of all of that. So it makes things easier for you. It takes out all of the guesswork and you're able to create a juicy offer, which is a bundle that attends to several needs at the same time for a higher but discounted fee. You get it? So they pay more. In their minds, they are saving, but they're actually spending more. You're happy, they're happy, everybody's happy. It's a juicy offer and they say yes to you. So it's as simple as that. So no matter where you are in your journey, if you want to take the challenge, if you want to order your CEO's briefcase, if you want to take the Boss Money Mastery online course to help you understand the laws of money and how to automate cash flow after learning everything that you need from the CEO's briefcase. Hey, and guess what? When you sign up for Boss Money Mastery, you also get the CEO's briefcase. How's that for a juicy offer? You get the guides and the templates, you get the laws of money and how to automate your cash flow, create your funnel. You get how to plan out your offer, your own system, understanding the mindset and emotionally connecting with your customers. All of that in one bundle. How amazing is that? So you can get that from the description below. And so this brings an end to the funnel series. Quick recap. Attract your customers by offering something free that they need. Build that relationship, nurture them, and also extract data through surveys, questionnaires, games, and then convert them by creating a super juicy offer. And your juicy offer is a bundle that takes care of everything that they could possibly need in order to solve their problem. And I will see you in the next video.